Labor is a natural process, but it can feel overwhelming if you don't know what to expect. So we're breaking down the 3 stages of labor, how you'll feel during each one, and what to do when the big moment arrives. Stick around because this information can make a real difference in your birth experience. Hi everyone, welcome to Women's Wellness Guide, where we provide practical guidance for moms-to-be. If you're a first-time mom or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of the most important pregnancy topics: understanding the phases of labor. Let's start with phase 1, known as early labor. This is the longest phase, lasting anywhere from a few hours to a few days. In early labor, your cervix begins to dilate and thin out. Contractions may feel like mild cramps at first and can be irregular. During this stage, you might feel a bit uncomfortable, but here's the good news. You can stay home for now. Keep track of your contractions, but focus on staying relaxed. Try breathing exercises, drink plenty of water, and get some rest if you can. The key here is to save your energy. Remember, it's completely normal for early labor to take time, especially if it's your first baby. So pace yourself. Next up is active labor, and this is when things start to pick up. Your cervix will dilate from about 4 to 7 centimeters, and contractions will get stronger and closer together. Now it's time to head to the hospital or birthing center. At this point, you'll probably need more support. Focus on your breathing techniques or consider using comfort measures like a warm shower, massage, or an exercise ball. It's all about finding what works best for you. Each contraction brings you closer to meeting your baby, so stay focused and trust your body. Your healthcare team will be there to help guide you through this intense phase. And finally, we have the transition and delivery phase, the shortest but most intense part of labor. Your cervix is now dilating from 8 to 10 centimeters, and the contractions are powerful, usually coming every 2 to 3 minutes. You might feel a strong urge to push, and that's because your body is preparing to deliver your baby. It's essential to listen to your doctor or midwife at this stage. They'll guide you on when and how to push. This stage can feel overwhelming, but remember, this is the final stretch. Soon you'll be holding your baby in your arms. And after delivery, you'll go through the final part of labor, which is delivering the placenta. It happens fairly quickly, usually within 30 minutes. That's it. You've made it through the 3 phases of labor, and now you have a beautiful baby to show for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more pregnancy and wellness tips. We're here to guide you through every step of your pregnancy journey. And if you have any questions about labor or want to share your own birth story, drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community of moms. Thank you for watching, and remember, you've got this. Labor can feel challenging, but with the right knowledge and support, you'll be empowered every step of the way. See you in my next video. Take care and stay strong.